Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change door locks. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a new lock set, and a tape measure. It's crucial to measure your door's backset and thickness to ensure your new lock is a perfect fit. Most standard doors are 1 3/8 inches to 1 3/4 inches thick, with a backset of 2 3/8 inches or 2 3/4 inches. Having the right tools makes the job much smoother. Now let's remove the old lock. On the interior side of your door, you'll find 2 screws holding the doorknob or lever in place. Use your screwdriver to remove these. Once the screws are out, gently pull the 2 halves of the lock set apart and remove them from the door. Next, look at the door's edge. You'll see a latch plate secured by 2 screws. Remove these screws and carefully pull out the old latch mechanism. With the old lock removed, it's time for the new one. First, insert the new latch mechanism into the hole on the door's edge. Make sure it's oriented correctly so the bevel faces the door frame. Secure the latch plate with the 2 screws provided, ensuring it sits perfectly flush with the door's edge. Next, align the exterior and interior lock components, feeding the spindle through the latch. Insert the 2 long screws to connect and secure both halves. Finally, it's time to test your new lock. Insert the key from both the inside and outside of the door to ensure it turns smoothly and locks securely. Operate the doorknob or lever to confirm it retracts the latch properly and returns to its original position. If the latch doesn't align perfectly with the strike plate on the door frame, you might need to make minor adjustments to the strike plate's position for optimal function and security.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.